Hello everybody. I just thought I'd give you a quick update on how we're making out with the Chief. So if you watch some of the previous videos, and I won't go into details, but it's a 0200 Continental with the C90 cam, electric start, and the most recent addition is the left mag, or the one on the left side of the engine, from sitting in the driver's seat. It's been converted to automotive spark plug wires and automotive spark plugs. There's about 3 reasons I did it, maybe 4. Economics was one of them. The spark plugs that are in it, these ones, these are serviceable, but to replace them in Canada, where I'm at, by the time I get them here, we're looking at about $100 each. Of course, there's 8 of them on there. These spark plugs, which is what's on the bottom, I'll just, you might want to write that down. Those spark plugs are a few bucks. Of course, you need to use an adapter or a bushing. These bushings were supplied by a company in Calgary called Simple Digital Systems. I'll make a note of it in the description. And the plug wires, they came as a kit from another outfit called G3S or something. Again, I'll put a link in, or not a link, but I'll make a note of it in the description. So with them in there, we got the bottom converted. The top might stay the same. I don't know what I'm gonna do. If I'll do the other side or not, the other magneto or not. I did fire it up. It starts really good, like real good. One of the other reasons to use automotive spark plugs is, okay, that is the pickup lead for one of them little tachometers that are purchased on eBay. I don't know where they originate from. I'll just show that to you. One of these things. And the great thing about this thing is it's also got an hour meter in it. And the first time that this engine was started with these plugs and this installed, this registered 420 RPM at an idle. And that tachometer was showing over 600, 650. I have more confidence in this than I do in that one. The other thing I like about it, like I said, it's got an incorporated hour meter, so it's run 0.1 of an hour on those plugs. Now, another benefit to automotive spark plugs is, I'm not set up for it yet, but I'll put a timing mark up here for, of course, on a Continental, you read it off the bottom for number 1, right? That don't mean I couldn't do my timing from number 2, which you put the marks up top here. And then I'll be able to put a timing light on it. And not that a buzz box wouldn't be as good or better, but I don't have a buzz box. And a person could adjust the timing with a timing light, an automotive style timing light. So I guess, oh, these are 8.5 millimeter wires, by the way. And like on a mag check at an idle, it runs it's idle solid at 420 RPM on the bottom. We switch to the top, and it doesn't run so good. But that don't, you know, if I took this outside and put it under load and let it clean blow out, I'm sure it'd be a little better. And the only other addition is EGT and CHT gauges. They look simple, but took me all afternoon to get them in there. And that's it. That's it for now. The next thing to do is fit this cowling to the firewall and tie some wires up, and I'll put the cowling back on. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, and hit the like button if you don't mind.